With just a few clicks, you can create stunning vector art, logos, and even 3D visuals like this, all with Recraft AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're diving into Recraft AI, a groundbreaking design tool that transforms text prompts into professional grade graphics in seconds. This video is split into timestamps, so skip ahead if you're here for something specific. What is Recraft AI? Recraft AI is an advanced generative design platform that simplifies creating digital artwork, vector graphics, 3D visuals, and branded content. It's the first AI tool to seamlessly integrate long text into images, making it ideal for logos, posters, and social media content. What is Recraft AI doing? Recraft AI focuses on democratizing design, text-to-image generation, turn prompts into photorealistic images, vector art, or 3D graphics. Precision text integration, add long, coherent text directly into design, a unique Recraft i3 feature. Style customization, apply specific aesthetics, e.g. flat design, cyberpunk, or train custom styles. Vector editing, modify shapes, colors, and text in vector graphics without design software. AI mockup, generate product mockups for merch, apps, or packaging instantly. Price. Recraft AI uses a credit-based system. Free plan. 100 monthly credits. 1 credit equals 1 raster image. 2 credits equals 1 vector image. Basic, $20 a month, faster generation, private project, and 500 credit. Advanced, $50 per month, 1,500 credit plus priority support. Pro, $100 per month, 3,000 credits plus commercial licenses. Tutorial. Let's create a vector logo in under a minute. Sign up. Visit recraft.ai and create a free account. New project. Click Create, New Project. Choose Vector Art. Set style. Pick a style, e.g. Flat 2.0, and color palette. Prompt. Type your idea, e.g. a red panda mascot for a tech startup. Generate an edit, click Recraft, use the lasso tool to tweak shapes, colors. Export, download as SVG, PNG, or share to the community gallery.